century of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He is a great scholar, excellent teacher, second president of India. Teachers are pillars of society. We should obey our teachers. Parents give your life, teachers give the way to life. Teachers play important role in shaping the students. Now I am going to say about poem about teachers. Teacher is like a spring who nurtures green sprout, encourage and lead them. Teacher is like a summer whose sunny temperament makes the studying pleasure. Teacher is like a fall with method crisp and clear, makes the happy and once clear. Teacher is like a winter, it is snowing outside,